If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today is my two-step routine that I do once a week, every Sunday. I start off, number one, by exfoliating my skin with the mint exfoliation of Cinthia Cosmetics. I scrub the product on all the surface of the skin. It will eliminate all the dead cells to have a new, fresh look skin. It would also activate your microcirculation and help the regeneration of your skin. As you can see, I still have the towel from washing my hair, so my hair is put back. After this first step, I'm going to rinse the product off with some hot water. So here we go. Now, step number two, I'm going to put my mask on. This is my favorite mud mask by Cinthia Cosmetics. After having done an exfoliation, it's the perfect time to put your mask on. The skin will all absorb the nutriments of the mask. I apply a good coat on all the surface of the skin, and I'm going to let it sit like this for about 5, 10, 15 minutes max. Then I'm going to rinse it off, but this time with some cold water. My skin is looking good, all fresh. And now it's ready to have the day cream on. And also, well, I'm going to dry up my hair. So don't forget to subscribe and see you later.